Hello everyone, welcome to the Gravity Stats channel. In this video, I share more information about how the Vietnamese economy is developing. I talk about Vietnam's GDP per capita, and current economic trends. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Enjoy watching. Vietnam Overview. Vietnam is a populous and rapidly developing country in Southeast Asia. The capital city is Hanoi, while the economic hub is often considered to be Ho Chi Minh City. Population: approximately 101.6 million people, 2025. Currency: Vietnamese Ang, VND. Economic model: socialist-oriented market economy. Vietnam belongs to many international trade organizations and agreements, ASEAN, WTO, etc. Vietnam is known for its dynamic growth, increasing industrialization, and expanding export-oriented economy. Vietnam has emerged as one of the fastest-growing economies in Southeast Asia, with a mix of industrial manufacturing, services, agriculture, and exports driving its development. Economic system: a mixed market economy with major contributions from manufacturing, industry, services, agriculture, and international trade. Key sectors: industry and manufacturing, a main growth engine. Manufacturing and processing industries remain a primary driver of GDP growth in 2025. Services sector, trade, transport, tourism, telecommunications, etc., also contribute significantly. Agriculture, forestry and fisheries. Agriculture remains important, especially for domestic supply and export of products like rice, seafood, and other agricultural goods. Trade and investment. Trade and export-oriented manufacturing are central to Vietnam's economic success. In 2024, total trade, exports plus imports, reached very high levels, supported by strong growth in export of goods. Vietnam attracts considerable foreign direct investment, FDI, thanks to competitive labor costs, young workforce, and integration into global supply chains. Major exports include finished goods, manufactured items, agriculture products, and manufactured exports represent a large share. GDP and growth. 2025 nominal GDP, estimated around $482.5 billion. 2025 GDP, PPP, approximately $1.81 trillion. PPP. GDP growth rate. 2025 forecast. Vietnam continues rapid growth. Recent quarters show high growth. For example, in Q3 2025 GDP grew by 8.23% year-on-year. Growth is broad-based. Industry, services, and agriculture all contribute positively. GDP per capita. In 2024, GDP per capita was about $4,726 at current prices. According to some projections, GDP per capita may rise. Estimates for 2025 suggest around $4,300 5,000, reflecting continued growth. While still lower than in highly developed economies, GDP per capita has been trending upward steadily, reflecting improving living standards and economic development. Challenges: dependence on exports and global demand. Because much of Vietnam's growth depends on exports and global supply chains, global trade tensions or a slowdown in demand may impact growth. Need for structural upgrades to sustain growth long-term. Vietnam needs to improve productivity, move up the value chain, develop higher-value manufacturing and services. Vulnerability to global economic shocks. As with many export-oriented economies, risks such as shifts in global demand, commodity price drops, or trade policy changes could be challenging. Strengths and opportunities. Rapid industrialization and manufacturing growth. Vietnam is becoming a key global manufacturing hub, benefiting from exports, foreign investment, and integration into global supply chains. Young and growing workforce. Large population and relatively low labor costs make Vietnam attractive for manufacturing, exports, and foreign investment. Diverse economy, with strength in industry, services, agriculture and exports. A diversified economic structure helps stability, export orientation and integration into global trade. Vietnam is well positioned to capitalize on global demand for manufactured goods and exports, which fuels growth in foreign currency inflow. Potential for further development. As GDP per capita grows and industrial capacity expands, Vietnam has room to climb the development ladder, attract more high-value investment, and improve living standards. If you like this video, Don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Enjoy watching.